Hello everyone, let's dive into the FOTEN 32-inch portable TV, a device that aims to redefine how we think about entertainment and productivity on the go. This isn't just a screen, it's a comprehensive smart system packed into a mobile design. First impressions are strong. The 32-inch Full HD in-cell touchscreen is vibrant and responsive, boasting a resolution of 1920 by 1080. The picture quality is crisp, making it a pleasure to watch movies, play games, or even work on documents. The ability to switch between horizontal and vertical screen orientations, along with adjustable angles, adds a layer of versatility that's hard to ignore. Whether you're lounging on the couch or presenting in a meeting, the FOTEN adapts to your needs. One of the standout features is the magnetic wide-angle camera. This addition transforms the portable TV into a capable video conferencing and photography tool. The wide-angle lens ensures that everyone is in the frame, making it perfect for group calls or capturing scenic landscapes. Audio quality is often an afterthought in portable devices, but FOTEN has clearly prioritized it. The 10W high-fidelity stereo speakers deliver rich, immersive sound with a noticeable bass effect. Whether you're watching a blockbuster movie or listening to music, the audio experience is surprisingly good for a portable device. Under the hood, the FOTEN is powered by Android 13, providing a smooth and intuitive user experience. With 8 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage, there's plenty of space for apps, games, and media files. The inclusion of multiple voice assistance options further enhances the convenience, allowing for hands-free control. The built-in battery promises 6 to 8 hours of use, which is respectable for a device of this size and capability. This makes it ideal for outdoor adventures, long commutes, or simply moving from room to room without needing to be tethered to a power outlet. The rolling stand with 18 centimeters adjustable height adds to the portability and adaptability of the FOTEN. It's easy to move around and adjust to the perfect viewing height, whether you're sitting, standing, or even lying down. In conclusion, the FOTEN 32-inch portable TV is a well-rounded device that offers a compelling combination of features and performance. Its vibrant display, versatile design, powerful speakers, and smart functionality make it a great choice for anyone looking for a portable entertainment and productivity solution.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.